Hello there! Welcome to the introduction video of the WCAG Documents project focused on web accessibility. My name is Jiří, I work as a front-end developer team lead here at Actum Digital, and we together with my fellow Actum colleagues will walk you through this video series. In this video, I will talk about Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG for short. What is it, why is it important, and how this project relates to it? We will cover it all. Let's get into it. Web Content Accessibility Guidelines explain how to make web content more accessible to people with all abilities and disabilities. These documents are published by the World Wide Web Consortium, or W3C for short. It is a standardized set of principles, guidelines, and success criteria that developers, quality assurance engineers, content creators, and anyone building websites should follow in order to be conformant with the rules and meet at least the minimum required level of accessibility of their websites. We encourage all who are responsible for web accessibility in their organizations to study the topic on the official WCAG overview website and also from the different sources to learn more. You can find the link in the video description. Let's take a closer look at WCAG now. Web Content Accessibility Guidelines are structured into the following four main principles that tell us what the web content should be: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. Each principle is then divided into different guidelines. The purpose of guidelines is to provide grouping and understanding for success criteria. Success criteria are what determine conformance to WCAG, which means in order to meet WCAG, the content needs to meet the success criteria. They describe how to make content more accessible. The success criteria have three levels of conformance to meet, each with increasing difficulty: Level A, Level AA, and Level AAA. Level A criteria are essential for all websites. If the website does not conform with Level A, it may have serious accessibility issues that prevent users with disabilities from using it. Level AA criteria are recommended as a minimum to meet. Websites that meet the Level AA are accessible to a wide range of users in various circumstances. Level AAA criteria represent the highest WCAG conformance level. They may not be applicable for all websites to achieve, as they usually require significant resources for conformance. However, some of them are affordable even for standard websites. And that was the very basic information about WCAG. Let's now take a look at the Actum WCAG documents. Actum WCAG documents are simplified web content accessibility guidelines, and they explain the information from the official guidelines more briefly, sometimes in a different way, or with different examples, including images and videos, and are a supportive source of the study material of the web accessibility topic. WCAG documents can help you to learn the essential information to understand and develop more accessible websites. In each document representing a success criterion, you will find the following: the intention that briefly summarizes the criterion, who benefits when a website meets the criterion, criterion details description, possibly also exceptions where the criterion is not applicable, examples of correct and incorrect usage or implementation of the criterion, and a set of questions to test your knowledge about the criterion at the end. There is also a video in each criterion where the details are explained in an audiovisual form. And that was all for this video. We hope that you find these documents useful and that they will help you in your accessibility journey. Make sure to visit the project at accessibility.actumdigital.com. Thank you for watching and see you in the upcoming videos. Have a nice day.